Welcome to our Plant Finder web kiosk tutorial. This tutorial shows you how to set up the plants we stock list for your Plant Finder by using the Joy of Plants plant list. You should use this method if you don't have a stock list from another source, for example an EPOS tool. Let's first look at the Plant Finder to see what's on the plants we stock list. Click on Find Plants by Name in the home page. Normally, Joy of Plants will set up your plants we stock list as part of the Plant Finder installation. As you may recall, you can click on the two tabs to switch between plants you sell and the encyclopedia. The text that appears on the tab can be customised to your company's chosen words when we set up your Plant Finder. So you may have the words Our Plant Range or some other words in your Plant Finder. In this video, I'll show you how to update the list of plants you sell that appear on this list. To update the plants we stock list, you will need Chrome as the internet browser on your PC, your hub.joyofplants login details, both the username and password, and Excel or LibreOffice as the program for updating the spreadsheet. And finally, the URL for your Plant Finder to check the results of your update. After logging into hub.joyofplants.com, you'll go to the Kiosk Web Plant Finder page. First, you'll download our plant list as a spreadsheet and open it in Excel or LibreOffice. The current selection of plants you sell is shown in the list. You'll make a copy of the file to keep the original as a backup before you make any changes. Then you'll select Plants You Sell by adding or removing Ys. Lastly, you'll upload the updated spreadsheet. I'll now show you how to do this in hub.joyofplants.com. Go to hub.joyofplants.com. Log in using your username and password. In usernames, it doesn't matter about capital letters. In passwords, it does. If you've forgotten your password, click the Click Here link. Click Kiosk Web Plant Finder in the Hub home page. This takes you to the Plant Finder Content Management page. In this page, you can manage all the content in the Plant Finder. The second section here has the options for managing the plants we stock list. We use the options on the right-hand side to set plants we stock without a stock list. First we click Download all plants as a spreadsheet. There's a drop-down list for the plant list to download. This will normally only contain one option, the name of the default plant list. If you add multiple plant lists, for example because you have multiple kiosks, this list will contain more options. Click Get Plant List. It might take a few moments to create your list because it's compiling a list of all the plants in the library. You're given a choice of which file format you want to use. For most people, the XLS version will be the right one to use. Right-click the option and choose Save Link As to save the file. It's a good idea to keep your plant list files in one folder. I'm going to save this in the PF Plant List folder. Your system may be set up to save and open the downloaded file straight away, or you might need to go to the File Manager and open the file from there. Before you make any changes, use Save As to make a copy of the file to keep the original as a backup. Give it a suitable name. You'll probably need to adjust the column width so that you can see what all the columns have in them. The first three columns are the ones you need to use. Just ignore the rest for now. The PID column contains the unique reference number for the plant ID number. All of our plants in the library have a unique ID. Botanical name has the full botanical name of the plant. The Include Plant column will contain Ys for all the plants that are currently selected as plants you sell. This is the column you're going to update by adding or removing a Y. It doesn't matter if the Y is a capital letter or not. When you are finished, save the file. Now go back to hub.joyofplants.com in your browser. Click Main Menu to go back to the previous page. Click Upload the updated spreadsheet. Click Choose File. Find your saved file and click Open. Click Upload. It may take a few moments to process your file. Underneath the window showing the list of plants, there are buttons that let you choose how to update the list. Click Accept Changes, Replace Existing at the right-hand side to update the existing list. Don't worry about the other buttons for now. Now go to your plant finder. To see the effect of your changes, click the Refresh button, then click Find Plants by Name. You can see the number of plants in the Plants We Stock list has changed, and the new plants we selected are on the list. So we know we've successfully updated our Plants We Stock list. Before we finish, I'll cover some frequently asked questions. Can I add plant availability details or plants we sell and plants for order? Yes. Use the availability and availability details columns in the downloaded spreadsheet to add these details before you upload the updated spreadsheet. See the tutorial on Add Plant Availability for more info. Can I change the title on the Plants We Stock tab? The person with manager access can change this in hub.joyofplants.com under Settings, Plant Finder, Customization. Can I add links to my webshop pages from the Plant Finder? Yes, you can do this if you have a premium Plant Finder account and you're also using our image and text library with your webshop. See the video on Plant Finder web plugin using with webshops for more info. And lastly, troubleshooting problems. If you see the words Popular Plants shown as the title of the plant list in the Plant Finder and not the words Plants We Stock or Our Plant Range, in this case contact support@joyofplants.com to update your Plant Finder to use a personalised plant list. You've reached the end of this video now. Thanks for watching. You can catch the next tutorial in our series by clicking the video link here or subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our videos.